Being founded by Villanueva to Hate. Hate with the ball. Pass to. Now pass to. So that line for three. No! A rebound by Lario. Lario with the ball. Lario slides into the middle. No! Offensive rebound by Lario. That pass to. From moves in his hand and he gets a foul. Foul on. Number 6. Villanueva.
First foul, 6, number 6.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 12 more seconds. This time check is brought to you by the birthday celebrant, Mr. Jesse Lico. First try by De La Cruz. Yes, sir. For the second try by De La Cruz. No. Panic for rebound. Villanueva with the rebound. Here comes now Villanueva push. Villanueva down. Crossover dribble by Villanueva to Olanday. Pick and roll by Olanday. No. Rebound by Mesa. Mesa now to Lario. Ang bilis bumasa ang pesa ni Lario. Here comes Lario. Lario hands in the air. Lapas. Nawala yung bola. Mabalik yung bola sa barangay SK Pertin, Poblacion. Here comes now Hate. Mga batang-batang po mga SK Pertin. These two players came from elementary po. Ang RST pa iba rin doon ako. All along. Into next. Okay. First 2 points po sa scoreboard natin. Here comes now. Traffic declaration na naman. The never committed by Villanueva. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Here comes now. Lauri with the ball. Kumita na bola. Pass to Maridon. Baseline jumper by Maridon. And he makes the goal by Maridon. Yes, sir. Here comes now Hate. Hate now. Hate with the ball to Villanueva to Hate. Hate now being pressured by Lario. Here comes now Hate. Long jumper by Olanday. An offensive rebound by Olanday. Nico. Pull-up jumper by Olanday. First two by Nico.
Where's it?
Elementary pa lang po yan.